Hello, this is the DevLog for the HypeSDK project. For this video, I will show you the progress of this project. Currently, this project is now open source on the GitHub. You can check on the link of the link below of this YouTube video. We have the two repos. First for the API, and the second one is for the front end. Okay, let's check on the feature. Currently, we already implemented on the front end as the React project that we use the Bootstrap as the CSS framework. We now already implemented on the login feature for the authentication, but we have only for the admin only. Admin at Hype. Yeah, you can check on the password. You can try on the password on the document. After we sign in, we will file the console. We will file the console of the application. We have the main feature that we have it is the form management and the script and the role management and the user management here. First, let's start with the user first. Okay, we can create a new user. Here we require just only the username and password and the email used just for the contact, for the information, currently for the information only. And next is about the role and the permission. Role is just a group of the permission. The permission is some kind like the constant that will attach to the form and check with the user that this user have the role that have the permission in there. If not, we will deny the access. But we not implemented. Currently, we not implemented this function. And the form, this one is good to go now. This one is represent some kind like the table on the database. Oh, this project use MariaDB as a database. When I create the form, let's try to create the new form. I will create a form name sample, and select is some kind like the programmatic name that we use in the database in the code, something like that. Let's try to SM. Example, I create the SM as a select. After I click submit, okay, the form will created here. And if we check on our database, we will see this form is created as the name is as the Slack name is SM, and the prefix is CC underscore. Here is I double click on it. It will create a table this table with the prepared field, the base field that we have the prepared the field for by default. Okay, if I clicking on it here, I can build the layout of the form without encoding. Just click it, add the label. We can customize the label like label font size here, and I click save. It will create it. Need to save it and need to make by manual. If we want to save the data to the form, we can create a field. Add the field here. Okay, SM underscore name here. The Slack will automatically generated, and we need to define the type of the field. What the field is used for. Okay, this field is SM name, right? If I check on the database again and I refresh it, you can see here is SM field is created and add to the table. And back to the layout, I can add the new input here because we create the field, right? Then we make the field in the layout. The label input my name, yeah, and the placeholder we can set the placeholder is input and the default value. If we don't have it, we can skip it. Okay, after click save, we can see here the form is created. Is add the input here. We can just save it. And back to the root table, we click on the table icon here. Oh, you can see here. Oh yeah, here we can create the record after we build the form. here, the form that we built, and we can try to add the data to it. We have the two features for create a draft and just create it. I can click create it successful, and as you can see in the database here, the record is created. The record type is production because we have the two environment for do this. We have dev mode here and production mode. For testing, sometimes we need to test first and the test data, and sometimes we need to work on the production. And the record state is active, right? Let's try the new one. This time I will click on the create draft. Record state will be draft. It's some kind like you need the document that we need to edit, right? In the active mode we cannot edit it, but in the draft mode we can edit it. We can still edit it until we publish, some kind like that here. And this is the data, and this is our currently progress on this DevLog. Yeah, next time it will be better. We can do more things about the role and the permission and the some kind like the client can log in and input the data. It should be done on this next DevLog. Okay, thank you for watching.